Happy special 40th Ruby anniversary, Mom and Dad.
God bless you both. Lots of love. Thanks everyone for making this video so special. Enjoy the video, Mom and Dad.
Happy and sorry, Suresh, Kamni, Kushrav.
Hi, my sweethearts, Suresh and Kamini. Do you remember something? Wish you very happy 40th anniversary. Wish you all the best for your future, healthy, happy, prosperous, and enjoyable life. Enjoy yourself. God bless you. Bye.
Hello, Nani and Anu. Happy anniversary. Lots of love, Chinman. Yeah. Hello, Nani and Anu. Happy wedding anniversary. Lots of love, Chinman. Do check out my last video.
Hello, Mommy ji, Daddy ji. Wish you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary. Enjoy, have a great time. Bye, take care, love.
Hey Mom and Dad, wishing you a very happy special Ruby anniversary. I'm really missing you both on this special day. I have seen your love growing over the years and you both are really an example for me what true love is. And lots of love and best wishes to both of you. Miss you. Mwah. Bye.
हाय विमला सुरेश शादवानी तव्हांखे 40 साल शादी कंप्लीट करण जूं वाधायूं हुजनिव ऐं भॻवानु आशीर्वाद ॾे 50 साल कोटिनि जी बि असां मल्हाईंदासीं अवल ख़ैर जेको मालिक जे मंज़ूर हूंदो.
Hi Suresh, hi Kamni. Happy wedding anniversary, 40th. I hope you are enjoying there. We are enjoying here. Cheers. God bless you both. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hi, happy anniversary. Your ruby one today. So I hope you're getting some rubies. Happy anniversary. Cheers.
Hi Suresh Kamni, wishing you lots of love on your 40th anniversary. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Enjoy. Cheers.
Hello, bhai. Hello, Bhabhi. How are you? Happy wedding anniversary. Happy ruby wedding anniversary. Enjoy yourselves. Hamari taraf se cheers. Juk juk jiyo. Looking forward to the golden anniversary.
Wow.
Cheers, bade bhai.
Cheers.
Enjoy
Hamari
karo.
taraf se. God bless.
God bless you.
Yes.
काकड़ी मासी, हाँ मैं कह रही थी कि क्या हुआ, कुछ फंक्शन कर रही हो नहीं कर रही हो?
हाँ, पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
हाँ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, तुम्हारी वो एनिवर्सरी आ रही है 40 इयर्स की. ठीक है, फिर तुम मुझे बताती रहो. अब दो चार दिन जो 2-3 दिन है,
हाँ.
उसमें मुझे बताते रहो कि क्या क्या करना है मेरे को.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
हाँ. और
बहुत बधाइयाँ.
हाँ बहुत बधाई. और सुनाओ. हाँ.
काकड़ी मासी, मेरी तरफ से, अभिषेक की तरफ से, अनीमा की तरफ से आपको बहुत बधाइयाँ.
Congratulations, best wishes.
Very congratulations, Masi.
Happy anniversary, Masi ji. 40th anniversary to both of you.
Wish you a very happy anniversary. God bless.
Happy anniversary, both of you. God bless you. All the happiness and togetherness always.
Very happy wedding anniversary, Uncle Auntie.
Happy anniversary.
बहुत
And this song for you.
Happy anniversary to Uncle and Auntie ji. To my beautiful auntie.
Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle.
We hope you have a lovely day celebrating your 40th wedding anniversary.
Best wishes on your special day and all the best for the next 40 years. We are so sorry we couldn't be with you today to celebrate. However, thank you so much, Puneet, for organising this. We hope you have a lovely day and all the best. Woohoo!
सुरेश भैया और कामनी आंटी को शादी की सालगिरह की बहुत सारी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं.
Happy anniversary. Happy Kamni auntie. Happy Suresh bro. How are you? शादी की सालगिरह पर हम देते हैं बधाई. आप जैसे लोग बहुत कम होते हैं पैदाइश. Happy anniversary. Enjoy your full to extend. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary! You guys are such an inspiration to the entire young generation. कि love marriage हो तो ऐसे. Uncle is so calm and thoughtful, and auntie is such a pataka. You guys make an amazing pair.
Happy anniversary to the most romantic couple of a lovable families. You guys rock.
Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle.
I hope you both have a wonderful day together. Congratulations on getting to 40 years of marriage. Auntie, I hope you treat Uncle to lots and lots of chocolates. And Uncle, I hope you get Auntie lots of really nice gifts to celebrate.
Happy anniversary, Auntie and Uncle. I hope you have a blessed day and we'll see you soon.
Lots of love.
Hi Auntie Kamini and Uncle Suresh. Happy anniversary. Lots of love to you both. Cheers.
Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello, Uncle Suresh and Auntie Kamini. Wanted to wish you a happy 40th wedding anniversary. What an amazing milestone. I hope you have lots of fun celebrating and enjoying yourself. Lots of love. Take care. See you soon.
Happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie.
Happy anniversary, Kamini and Suresh. Love each other forever. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, me and Bhavi. May God shower blessings of good health, love and respect for each other. Good luck.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी सुरेश कामनी, आपको आपकी 40th एनिवर्सरी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. एंजॉय योर डे.
Hi Suresh, hi Kamini. Make this 40th anniversary for yourself the most memorable anniversary of your time. God bless you with lot of health and happiness. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
हेलो मैम, कैसे हो? हम लोग आपको बहुत मिस करते हैं. फिर अभी आपकी एनिवर्सरी आई तो सोचा एटलीस्ट एक अपने तरफ से थोड़े से विशेस तो पहुंचा ही दें आपको. सो इट्स अ टाइम फॉर सेलिब्रेटिंग योर अफेक्शन एंड डीप कनेक्शन. मैम, वी कांट बी विद यू ऑन दिस ओकेजन, सो वी आर सेंडिंग आवर बेस्ट विशेस टू यू बोथ. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी wedding anniversary. So look forward to the day when this ruby gets converted into gold and we have a big celebration. We all will come on that celebration. Once again, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary.
Just to remind you of the office days you have spent. देखो बारिश कितने बढ़िया से हो रही है हमारे ऑफिस में, और सामने देखो आपका चैम्बर दिख रहा है. आपको पुराने दिन याद आएंगे ना अडवाणी जी के साथ.
अडवाणी मैम, अडवाणी सर को भी हमारी तरफ से एनिवर्सरी
तो ये बोल रही है, सब सेम टू सेम है.
एंड मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर 40 years of togetherness and congratulations from all of us. और ये चाय जो है ये हमारी टेबल पे आपका इंतजार कर रही है, इसलिए जल्दी से
और हम
जैसे
आपकी
कोरोना खत्म होए,
ढोकला का, इन सब का इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो जैसे
और गोल्डन जुबली में आने का भी.
बिल्कुल 10 साल के बाद हम आएंगे आपकी गोल्डन जुबली पे.
बेशक डंडी लेके आएंगे जरूर.
बाय
बाय.
टाटा.
Happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie. Enjoy your special day. Have fun and yeah, missing you a lot. Sending you hugs and kisses. Bye.
And Suresh ji, wish you a very happy marriage anniversary. 40 wonderful years. Right from the time I know we have been dating each other till the time you are having grandchildren now. Wish you all the best, good health and happiness always. Hope to see you soon in the 50 golden years celebration.
Wishing you happy 40th wedding anniversary. This is the time, this is an occasion in which you like to open a champagne bottle and with a candlelight dinner at home. Your sonny and your daughter-in-law can make arrangement for this, and you send your pictures also.
Happy anniversary, Uncle and Auntie. May your love remain fresh forever and stay happy and blessed.
Hi Kakrima, hi Suresh Uncle. Happy 40th anniversary. Enjoy your day. Stay safe.
Hi brother, happy 40th wedding anniversary. This is the time for the couple to be showered with love and flowers from love and adoration for 40 years. This is a milestone not for many couples achieve with love and happy 40th anniversary.
जी हेलो भाभी जी, आप दोनों को आपकी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो और आप इसी तरह दोनों हमेशा हमेशा के लिए इकट्ठे रहें, यही हमारी आपसे भगवान से शुभकामना है। थैंक यू एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू। बाय बाय।